fAaaaam.
Hi guys, welcome back once again. It's your girl Amara. I'm sure you guys can tell what this video is about from the title of today's video. So get ready with me. Today is 22nd of September 2023, and tomorrow 23rd of September 2023 is going to be Saudi Arabia National Day. So if you're coming across my video, if you're coming here for the first time, thanks for joining in. Please do well to join the growing family by subscribing to my channel and like this video, and also drop a comment, okay? And for my returning subscribers, you guys are really amazing. Thanks for always coming back. Thanks for sticking with your girl. So get ready with me. I'm not doing so much anyways. I'm just going to like dress really simple. I'm not really going to be doing too much because outside might be hot and I wouldn't want to, have the stress of taking care of the children, holding them, and be wiping makeup. So yeah, I will really be fast about that. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Honestly, I don't know what I'm going to be seeing outside, but I hope I see something really entertaining to show you guys, like the vibes and sounds of Saudi Arabia. Because I used to see videos of people dancing and having all this celebration stuff, and I've always wanted to experience it. So today we're stepping out, everybody, so that we'll go and going to be going out. There is nothing, too plenty, nothing, nowhere in mind actually. So I'm just going to, hey, this thing. I'm just going to do this thing fast. Anyways, I'm putting on a blue jean and this red shirt. I honestly don't want to wear green because I know that there will be a lot of green things. Make I not go lost. Out there, so many places will be all decorated in green. I can see some people say outside is green already, the town is green. So yeah, so I'm using this edge control. I don't know if, yeah, I'm using this edge control. So I'm just going to be doing fast. I don't want to talk too much so that this vlog will not be too long. Yeah. So I'm going to be carrying this bag, not carrying so many things, just this. Let me check if my card is, yes, our card is here, and small money, in case if we see something to buy. And then this is my shoe, blue jean. You guys are going to see my outfit anyways. So blue jean, black bag, red top. I hope this goes well. The children are actually wearing red. We're not doing red as if it's Valentine's Day. But anyways, let's see. Maybe green and red is actually beautiful. What do you guys think? Anyways, tomorrow is the main day, and I doubt if I'll be going out tomorrow. So let me go and cover what I can get. I'm done. So yeah, see you guys outside.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over.
Everywhere is green. The town is green, y'all. Happy 93 years anniversary, Saudi Arabia. Is this a playground? Let's check what they're selling inside. This is our show, live show. Yes? Yes? Hold on, let me go to the other side. Can you see a lot of children? Yes, come this way, let's go. Let's go.
زي ما قلت لك كلهم بنتين يمين ويسار حط دايره في النص كلهم يمين ويسار ها جرب والله جرب اكثر واحد جرب 5 4 يلا في 1 2 3 هدوء هدوء وترتيب في واحد جرب والله احدهم ذكر Hold you for